Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the ultimate Guess the Flower quiz challenge? Test your vocabulary with 100 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word genius. Watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What's the name of this flower? Rose. Let's see if you can guess this one. Tulip. Can you guess this flower correctly? Daisy. What's the name of this flower? Sunflower. Let's see if you can guess this one. Orchid. Well done. 5 down. Keep going. Can you guess this flower correctly? Lily. What's the name of this flower? Marigold. Let's see if you can guess this one. Lavender. Can you guess this flower correctly? Hibiscus. What's the name of this flower? Peony. Let's see if you can guess this one. Daffodil. Can you guess this flower correctly? Lotus. What's the name of this flower? Jasmine. Let's see if you can guess this one. Chrysanthemum. Can you guess this flower correctly? Iris. What's the name of this flower? Geranium. Let's see if you can guess this one. Hydrangea. Can you guess this flower correctly? Snapdragon. What's the name of this flower? Begonia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Azalea. Can you guess this flower correctly? Camellia. What's the name of this flower? Magnolia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Lilac. Can you guess this flower correctly? Poinsettia. What's the name of this flower? Crocus. 25 down, awesome! Check out the description for English learning resources after watching this video. Let's see if you can guess this one. Bluebell. Can you guess this flower correctly? Forget-me-not. What's the name of this flower? Zinnia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Pansy. Can you guess this flower correctly? Petunia. What's the name of this flower? Dahlia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Amaryllis. Can you guess this flower correctly? Fuchsia. What's the name of this flower? Gladiolus. Let's see if you can guess this one. Morning Glory. Can you guess this flower correctly? Cosmos. What's the name of this flower? Gerbera. Let's see if you can guess this one. Wisteria. Can you guess this flower correctly? Anemone. What's the name of this flower? Aster. Let's see if you can guess this one. Black-eyed Susan. Can you guess this flower correctly? Carnation. What's the name of this flower? Dandelion. Let's see if you can guess this one. Foxglove. Can you guess this flower correctly? Gardenia. What's the name of this flower? Heather. Let's see if you can guess this one. Impatience. Can you guess this flower correctly? Larkspur. What's the name of this flower? Nasturtium. Let's see if you can guess this one. Oleander. 50 down. You're great. We have some English learning resources for you. Check them out after watching the video. Can you guess this flower correctly? Primrose. What's the name of this flower? Ranunculus. Let's see if you can guess this one. Rhododendron. Can you guess this flower correctly? Sweet pea. What's the name of this flower? Verbena. Let's see if you can guess this one. Yarrow. Can you guess this flower correctly? Bird of paradise. What's the name of this flower? Calla lily. Let's see if you can guess this one. Tansy. Can you guess this flower correctly? Thistle. What's the name of this flower? Vervine. Let's see if you can guess this one. Bleeding heart. Can you guess this flower correctly? Honeysuckle. What's the name of this flower? Coreopsis. Let's see if you can guess this one. Delphinium. Can you guess this flower correctly? Edelweiss. What's the name of this flower? Flax. Let's see if you can guess this one. Goldenrod. Can you guess this flower correctly? Hyacinth. What's the name of this flower? Ice plant. Let's see if you can guess this one. Jonquil. Can you guess this flower correctly? Kangaroo paw. What's the name of this flower? Lantana. Let's see if you can guess this one. Mimosa. Can you guess this flower correctly? Narcissus. 75 down. Keep watching and comment your score below at the end of this video. What's the name of this flower? Parquet flower. Let's see if you can guess this one. Queen Anne's lace. Can you guess this flower correctly? Rock rose. What's the name of this flower? Snowdrop. Let's see if you can guess this one. Trillium. Can you guess this flower correctly? Violet. What's the name of this flower? Wallflower. Let's see if you can guess this one. Xeranthemum. Can you guess this flower correctly? Yucca. What's the name of this flower? Agapanthus. Let's see if you can guess this one. Bougainvillea. Can you guess this flower correctly? Canterbury bells. What's the name of this flower? Dianthus. Let's see if you can guess this one. Echinacea. Can you guess this flower correctly? Freesia. What's the name of this flower? Garcinia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Heliotrope. Can you guess this flower correctly? Ixia. What's the name of this flower? Jacob's ladder. Let's see if you can guess this one. Kalmia. Can you guess this flower correctly? Lobelia. What's the name of this flower? Passion flower. Let's see if you can guess this one. Scabiosa. Can you guess this flower correctly? Tiger lily. What's the name of this flower? Water lily. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 100 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Boost your English with resources in the description. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!